Welcome the Judy class. Hi everyone, Judy here. Thank you for tuning in. If you're interested in fascinating discoveries in the world of science, you've come to the right place. Right now, I upload one video each week. If I have more time in the future, I'll upload more. Life is not easy for any of us, but what of that? We must have perseverance, and above all, confidence in ourselves. Do you know who said it? Yep, Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a remarkable scientist. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in physics. She became the first person, man or woman, to claim Nobel Prize twice when she won her prize in chemistry. Born Marie Skłodowska in Poland in 1867, Pierre later moved to France to study physics and mathematics in Paris. At that time, the universities in the city where she lived didn't allow women students. While the outstanding French physicist Pierre Curie in 1894, they fell in love and Pierre proposed to her. He wrote, "It would be a beautiful thing to pass through life together, hypnotizing our dreams. Your dream for your country, our dream for humanity, our dream for science." Marie married Pierre in 1895. Together, they had two daughters. One followed in her mother's footsteps, winning the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1935. The other became a journalist. Together, they discovered two new elements, radium and polonium, which was named after her home country. Curie described the elements she studied as radioactive. In 1903, Marie and Pierre were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics, jointly with Henry Becquerel, for their combined, though separately worked on radioactivity. The couple used their prize money to continue their research. But unfortunately, in 1906, her husband was killed in a street accident after being knocked down by a wagon. After Pierre's death, Marie championed the development of X-rays. In 1911, she won her second Nobel Prize in chemistry for discovering radium and polonium. In the same year, rumors spread that Marie was having an affair with her late husband's student, who was 5 years younger than her. They didn't discuss their relationship with outsiders, but she wrote to a critic, quote, "I believe there is no connection between my scientific work and the facts of private life," end quote. Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet, I'm Judy Faye London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and non-fiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website, judyfaylondon.com, or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Right, Candy the Dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with the Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels, Judy Faye London and Judy Plus. Judy Faye London is a comprehensive channel, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting scientific discoveries. And my friends, if you are interested in knowing the details about this topic, please check the related articles in the description box. Thank you for watching. And my friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Thank you.